Hi everyone, and this is project that I want to build to POS and with the stocks. So today I want to show you how to create stock management system, and this is the demo, yes, and you can write by yourself. And this is the website that will display stock and with the POS. So I go to login page, login, and right now I register to the dashboard. Okay, and this is the dashboard that we show our products. So in the products has the 460 yuan, and this is the best, so that the paid amount is when the shop or another one order our products, and this is the amount due and user. And below is we show the product that we sell, and product quantity we want to show from the quantity from stock. Sometimes when someone order our product, we want to cut our from stock. And this is the admin activities. Admin activity refer to the admin activity do everything on the system, and then we show the drag here from the system admin. And this is the sell activity refer to the user has a sell, and they have activity and display here. And poster activity refer to the user to upload product, create products, and we show the poster activity here. Okay, and this is the just only one dashboard. We want to track the information from the user. Okay, and this and the second menu refer to the reports. Yeah, this is the report we show from the customer order. Okay, I don't want first time, so in the first we want to create the product, and this is the page. We create the product here, but before when we create the product, we must first create the category. And this is the category that I want to create already. For example, we want to create the new laptops. Okay, I want to show you that, and this is the system that I want to use the stock management from the restore our product related to the computer shop. Okay, and this is the name computer, desktop, keyboard, accessory, okay, and extra here. So if I want to close the status here, mean that the front end website does not show, for example. So right now, and when we create the laptop already, and this is the subcategory we want to create, refer to the front end, for example. Okay, okay, and this is the front end that we want to display the category. Okay, category here. And this is the category that we want to display is on the website here, menu here. And this is the subtitle, and this is below Apple, and we call that the subcategory. Okay, so when we create our product, and this is the subcategory we want to create, for example, we add the laptop. Okay, and we choose the subcategory title: Apple, Microsoft, Surface Pro Edge, MacBook, or mouse that we want to create. Okay. And this is the subtitle we want to display here, display below Apple. Okay. So, and right now we go to create product. For example, I go to create product. We want to choose, for example, and laptops. So we choose the subname category that we want to show the display on the front end website. Pro 76 MacBook, Alien alien we are gaming extra that we want to create here. Okay. So I create already, but this is the product name that we want to display, that we want to create, and model computer. But we can skip the model computer because sometimes computer there is another have a different model, and this is the barcode I want to escape, and quantity I want to show from the stock. Okay, I want to show from the stock, and type we want to create with to known as our product type new or second, and this is the cost price. Yes, cost price as we create in the stock. And this is the system I want to show. I want to sell our product to normal customer or VIP customer. For example, our product name, our product name and model, and barcode we can skip, and quantity we skip, and we use tabs. Okay, I don't want to input the cost price here. Okay, cost price we input from the stock, and VIP, for example, I say VIP 200. Yes, and customer VIP, not VIP, we set to 2,500. And this is the description that we want to display on the front end website. Refer to the display here. Okay, below refer to the description. Okay, and this is the description we want to display from the website. And the free refer to the detail our product when we want to click the view. For example, I click here, and then we show the free, but I has no the data to input yet. Okay. So I go back. Okay, when we create already, and this is the profile that we want to display our products, and we want to discount. Yes, discount. I discount as USD, and warranties. Warranty refer to when we want to display warranty our product on the website. When visitor to see our products on the website. Okay, and but I has no the warranty, and so out and available now mean they refer to the product our as NT from stock. Okay. Okay, when I create the already like this, so and this is the we go to the purchase. Yeah, purchase refer to our stock when we order from company or another some place we want to create. We store in the stock. So I take here. Okay, I place the purchase, and this is the purchase that I want to create, for example, and the biller ID refer to the invoice that we want to receive from the company name, for example, and this is the company that we want to that we buy as a product our company name. So for example, Apple. Yes, our company name Apple, and this is the contact title, but I don't have here, so I create one. Okay, country, for example, America. Okay, when we create supplier already, we import the imported that we buy product from our company Apple. Right? Apple. So I click here, and payment term. So we create just once like this. So I create. Okay, now I create bill ID as a biller ID and supplier Apple. that I imported that is from company Apple, and pet I has now the data to input, but we can to input the data from the invoice. So right now we go to the place the action and choose the add item to add data to stock. For example, I has now this is the stock name. Yes, the stock name that we want to store. Sometimes we has many our stock, so I change the stock here. Okay, and choose the Apple product. Okay, so I choose the Apple product. Right now we know that. So I want to explain you that, and this is the product name display from our product list. So right now we want to add the information our product Apple Voice 3 as GPS with the model name and Unicode that we Unicode refer to the cost price that we buy from the company Apple. And this is the Syria, it's a Apple Voice 3 GPS that our product has as every Syria. So, and this is the model. So I put model name and cost. Okay, cost. So when I create the cost like this, for example, we and it's 99. Yeah, and this is the test that I want to test here. Okay, when I create, well, but when we has a product and the three label on the other product, so I want to add more C3. Okay, right now I have the two series, so I want to change the other product. How other product that I sell to VIP or a normal customer, and this is the cost. So we want to edit price before we sell to the customer with the website. So other product name Apple Voice 3 GPS Black Spot page. Okay, so I go to check our product price. Okay, Apple and okay, right now I search to product name, and this is a product that I add the two series into the stock. So in the cost that I don't want to display from the stock, and this is the VIP. Okay, and this is the VIP words, so I write wrong. And right now when in the value in stock we have the value in stock, so I want to change value in stock and pause. So you want bank, and in stock price we have the 1,500. Okay, so I want to say to our customer, I want to edit price. Okay, I did price and 1,600 and 1,700. Okay, and this is the not important to display. Yeah, okay, and this is the that I write wrong code. Yes, and this is the cost price bar we don't want to display. Okay, so I save change. Okay, I search our product again, and the VIP we want to sell our product to VIPs 1,600. 1 and 500, and the NP refer to the normal customer 1 and 700. Okay, when I create in the stock with the serial already, so we go to the POS system. So I go to the POS system, and then this is that we want to scan the serial. For example, I use 1 and to choose. But I want to show you that in refer to the notepad, because in this is the command language. Okay, I am Cambodia. So in this is I copy VIP price, and I copy and normal customer price. So when I change the normal price, yes, normal price, and display normal price customer. Okay, so 111 to choose. Okay, and this is the normal price to customer to customer normal, and I change. We want to get again. And this is refer to the VIP price. So here, okay, and then we create as a POS already, and this is the description refer to the quantity our product, and subtotal and discount price refer to the tax, and payables, yes, and total payable and paid. Sometimes the customer that we want to pay not paid all, yes, and this is the refer to the balance. So right now I don't want to change at all. For example, if I discount 10,000, and this is the decrease into the 6,590. Okay, so I change to the 0, and this is the payment, and then display box. We change as a payment when we sell and sell print. Okay, and first when I click, so we want to choose the VIP customer or customer guest. Okay, so right now I want to create. Okay, when I create already, and this is the details our product. For example, and this is the serial number. Okay, and the serial number, and price, amount, and discount. Okay, right now I want to print. We click the print our product here. Okay, I show you already with the stock already, but sometimes we want to check in quantity of our stock. So I sell our product 1 already, but we remain 1 more. For example, and we change our product here. And this is, and we search Apple, okay, and this is the Apple that we portion down, and portion down refer to the stock as a remain 1, and price down refer to this is the serial in portion down. So I create one more. For example, we want to order more, and then the quantity decrease automatic. For example, okay, I want to order again. Okay, so I close. When I close, and this means that the increase remain to the 2 Syria in our stock. If I want to refresh, and this is the stock product name. Okay, product name as a transfer stock refer to the stock first and has one our product Syria, and breakdown mean that we has the our 2 Syria product that we want that has in stock. Okay, but sometimes we want to transfer from stock 1 to stock 2 and stock 2 to stock 1. For example, I want to transfer stock here. So I copy. So we want to transfer from Washington and to Brazil. So I want to press here. So mean that the Washington there is no the display transfer because we transfer already into the Brazil stock. For example, if we want to transfer code here, okay, I check the Brazil. Okay, and the Washington and has one number our products. So I want to transfer more. Okay, and our stock in stock 1 has 2 our products here, and stock 2 Brazil has the 1 product our 3, and this is our 3 in the product in the Brazil and the stock 2. Okay, so right now I show you already how to create stock management, and there are many reports. Okay, and this is the report that we want to show here. Okay, we have today we show our product too. Okay, into the, and this is the invoice and the customer name, okay, and price. Okay, and this is the amount too. We have to know. So we go to the dashboard, and we have the paid amount yes 3,200. Okay, and this is the show product that we show today. So quantities and amount, and product quantities we show here, and this is the admin activity refer to the trade the user. We can change the IDs, invoice ID, here. So we want to view the our product, so we can, okay, and this is the our product name and the real quantity, price, and discount USD saved by buyer, and so that. Okay, and one more, we want to change the product source. Okay, so I check product source. We want to know our product from here or from anywhere, or we want to know how this is the product, who that supplies. Okay, please wait. So I want to refresh again. Okay, and this is the product source. Okay, product source refer to the we want to change, and this is the product name, and we have the serial number. Okay, and model name, cost price, supplier, stocks, status. Okay, and status in stock. Our stock refer to that. This is our product. With the serial name we sell, so we sell already. And this is the stock out refer. Okay, in the same. So in the our product name MacBook Pro, we have one our product with the serial name in the stock. Also has one only in the stock. So check. Oh, we have 2. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. We have 3. So I check here. in the MacBook Pro we has nice, so we want to show one order again. Okay, so we change and I use the guest customer. So we want to order again, and right now I check here, mean that our product sold out or serial number does not exist. Okay, so everyone, and thank you for watching my video how to create POS and we create the stock to store our product. Okay, and the last time, don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. And then if I have a free time, I want to show you how to create stock management system and the POS. In the POS, as a format or and as a shop name. Okay, thank you. Don't want to forget like, comment and share. Okay, say goodbye.